This video is for my neighbor's Poulan 2300 AV, made by Baird, Poulan / Weed Eater Division, Emerson Electric Company. 38 centimeters squared. Not exactly sure what length bar it is. I didn't measure it. I don't have my tape measure here right now. It's in good condition. I just got it running. Let's see. Serial number, made in USA. Serial number 205-12334. Uses 1/2 pint of oil per gallon. Let's see. Older model. The sticker I usually read that has the year and everything is worn off. Oiler works. It's got the older style Poulan. It's supposed to be a reduced kickback style bar. Good. Bar still good. Chain still good. Still has the cushioning in excellent condition. I mean, it looks like it was just put on a couple days ago. It looks so new. He even has the case for it, and that's in really good condition as well. Let's see. This when I got this, it was not startable. You could the recoil wasn't broken or anything, but the after about 100 pulls, it would kick for, I don't know, about 10 seconds or less, and then it would die. So I was working with it, and the recoil broke. He had a spare in the case, so I replaced it, and it broke again. So the other day, I finally got back to it. I ended up using a Briggs mower rope and a mower handle, and pulled it many times so far, and it has not broke yet or frayed. So that should be fixed. It's also easier to pull. See, I had to change the air filter because it was rotten. Clean the spark plug, tune the carburetor, replaced the fuel line. I think I replaced the fuel filter. I don't believe I cleaned it up. It was already this clean. It's been a little while. He's been doing more trees around his yard shit lately, so I figured I'd go ahead get a move on with it. Anyways, let's see, it's two-handed start because you have to pull the trigger while you pull the recoil. In case you need starting instructions, skip number 1. It's just to tell you how to mix the gas and check the oil. Except for check the chain tension. Make sure it's nice and not super ultra tight, but not really loose either. Number 2, flip ignition switch to start. It's towards me here. Number 3, flip choke lever on to right, so that's like that. Hold rear handle firmly with the right hand and squeeze trigger. Push saw away from body while pulling starter rope towards you quickly until engine fires. Number 5, flip choke off and pull starter until engine runs. 6, release trigger to idle engine, and 7, of course, to stop the engine. Let's flip the switch back over. Okay, so let's see, it should have enough gas in it. I put a little bit of oil in the reservoir, so let's give it a try here. The neighbor closed the door a little bit ago when I started it, so I won't run it too long here. very responsive. Nice little saw. Has a bit of torque. If you ever find one of these, I suggest picking one up because they tend to last forever. They've lasted this long. I believe this is probably late 70s, early 80s, maybe. Late to mid 80s.
Talking to yourself?
Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to comment, inbox, like, rate, comment. Till next time, see ya.